everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. Today I'm going to show you something that I received from One Day Saving. I love it. This is a diamond painting kit. So before I show you this particular one, I do want to show you a couple that I already did. By the way, everything that you need to know about this company will be linked in my description box. They specialize in diamond paintings. They also specialize in, what else do they have on the paint by number and cross stitch. So you'll find all those things on their website. They have a whole section where everything is $4 and under, and they have great deals. It's beautiful, their website. There's so much to choose from, and it is so fun. So not only do they just have regular diamond paintings, but like I just showed you, they have diamond painting kits. They also have bookmarks. So this is one that I did. It does come with a little tassel or whatever. I have misplaced it. Of course I did, because that's what I do. But here is the bookmark that I just finished. I just finished this yesterday. So I think it is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it sparkle. There's really no light shining behind me to make it sparkle, but it is really pretty. It's got a little bee. Well, you guys can see that, but love it. So I just finished that one. And I also finished the one that they sent me last time to review. And this was the birdhouse. I don't know if you all saw that video, but they sent this kit right here, and it was to do this birdhouse up here, right there. So I did finish this. This comes with hardware. Is that how to say it, as well? So you can hang it, or you can put it like little stickies and put it on your window or something. But here it is completed. Try so hard when I do these things to keep dog hair and pet hair and everything off of it, but you know, sometimes, you know, having so many pets, it's hard to. But this is so pretty. I think this is so pretty, and I do definitely see it sparkle in the light right now. But this is going to go in my kitchen window. I think, you know, putting it there and having the light shine through, I think it'll make it sparkle a lot, and it'll just be very pretty, and it doesn't take up too much room. So loving this, really loving this. So I finished this the other day. This didn't take very long. It really didn't. So I was very happy with that. So again, it does come with things to hang it. Are they in here? Comes with something, a chain to hang it also.
Oh, good.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It also has like a little light. There's no battery in this.
Oh no, what kind of battery does it take on?
You guys, I need to show this to you. I will, I think probably AA.
I have AA.
You do?
Yeah.
But I'll go ahead and put a picture here or somewhere so you guys can see it all lit up. Because I forgot, it lights up. I don't know how. I guess I'll have to read the directions, darn it. That's only if all else fails. But yes, I'm excited about that. Forgot about that, in fact. Okay, so back to what I just received. It is a welcome sign. I am so excited about this. So let me go ahead and show this to you. You open it up. I can't wait to see this. I have been looking forward to this for so long. So it is this here. It does say welcome, and it has a little center here, and it's because they have things that you, like seasonal things that you put in the zero, not the zero, but the O. So let me show you what it is. This is very exciting, and Brooklyn wants to eat the box. So it always comes with one of these to do your diamond painting with. And then let's see what else is in here. Yes. Okay. So here it is. I got to put this somewhere because Brooklyn's going to eat everything. But comes with all of the equipment, all the little pegs or whatever they're called, beads, gemstones that you need right here. So I'll put these aside. But This is so neat because it comes with these seasonal, and I believe it's magnetic. Looks like it's magnetic. All right, so let me show these to you if I can figure out how to open this little bag. This is, so they have one that's for Christmas. Okay, so what you would do, there goes the dogs. Hold on just a moment. Okay, so I'm back. All right, so like I was saying, that it does look to be magnetic right here. So I noticed when I put you on pause just a second ago that it is not magnetic, because when I put like the Christmas tree here, it doesn't want to, you know, stick. But it comes with this 3M thing that you stick right here in the middle, right here. And this is magnetic. So yes, so it has the Christmas tree, so you can put it there and put it in the middle for the winter, for Christmas time. Then they also have, oh my gosh, there's so many. I didn't even know it came with this many. Comes with the sun. So here, let me just hold this up. Right there. Comes with the 4th of July flag. Right there. The American flag. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at, that must be National Dog Day. I don't know. Some of these are just regular designs. In case there's no holiday. Here's Turkey Day. Thanksgiving. Here is Owl Day. I love the Owl Day. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, and all of these look like, yes, these are all little diamond paintings of their own. Oh my gosh, okay. Valentine's Day, I better finish this one really quick. That is so cute. I just dropped one. Let me get it. Snowman, also for Christmas. Okay, St. Patrick's Day. Oh, this is pretty. I like flowers a lot, so, oh, that's gonna be really pretty. I'm so excited about this. Another, for Easter, look at this. So cute. And then you also have the Christmas tree at the beginning. So I'll put the cost of this item and the link to this particular item in my description box. You know, I didn't even know they had products like this there. They are adding new products all the time. And I love when they reach out to me to review their products. I always find something new and something fun. And this is by far, this and the birdhouse and the bookmark and the diamond paintings I received from them before. I guess they're all like my favorites, but I'm really liking the kits, the little artsy, crafty kits. And I think this is, so far, has got to be my favorite, because this is something that can stay out all year, you know, and I can just change it to the season. This is genius. Genius, I say. So I really love this. So you'll see all of this in my description box, you guys, if you are interested in checking out their website. I don't get anything in return for referring you, but you will see the link to this company and everything in my description box. So please use it. Go check it out. They have a lot of stuff that's under $4, and it is so fun. Anyway, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Have you shopped there before? They always have sales, so check it out, everyone. Bye.